everybody, it's Ashley and this is a product introduction video for Ink2Paper's July 2019 release. In this video I am going to be introducing Simply Sentiments 1 stamp set. This stamp set is designed by Nancy Messiah and it's all about sentiments. There are, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different sentiments included in this stamp set. And the cool thing about this stamp set is that it comes in 3 different sizes: small, medium, and large for each of the 5 sentiments. So you have From Me to You, Congrats, Celebrate, Just for You, and Thank You. So really cool to have all these sentiments and the different sizes, because sometimes you like a sentiment, it's just not the right size. So this stamp set was intentionally designed so that you can have them in various sizes that would fit different types of project designs. Okay, and this particular stamp set was also designed to coordinate with Banner Builder Basics die collection. All right, so this stamp set comes with the label affixed, carrier sheet attached, ready to go, and packaged in our great hold and fold storage case. All right. Just to show you some sentiments and how they look, I stamped a lot of them on the Banner Builder Basics, but here's the Congrats in the large. From Me to You, that's another one that's in a curve. Here's one that says Celebrate, the little mini Thank You. All right, Congrats again, Just for You. And the cool thing about these is that here's a thank you. You can definitely use these on the actual die cuts, or you can use them directly onto projects or other die cuts or things like that. Just so many different options. Okay, so here are all the different ways you can stamp them and how they look paired with Banner Builder Basics die collection. Lots of different options here for you to stamp them with, just to show you how it looks on a card. I stamped this one. This is a larger one, and I just did a gradient stamping where it kind of starts with a bit of a summer sunrise paper tray ink color, and then it goes to a little bit of a bright buttercup yellow. All right, so those are ways you can use Simply Sentiments. Again, you can just use them directly onto a card. You can definitely use them on the Banner Builder Basics die collection. You can use them on other dies that you have. So many different things you can do. But the cool thing about it is everything you pretty much need is right here in one stamp set when it comes to these 5 different types of sentiments, just for $16. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this product introduction video for Simply Sentiments 1 stamp set. And that concludes this video, and I hope this inspires you to get stamping great sentiments in all different types of sizes on your projects. Thanks so much for watching.